Hi, hello, welcome to Traveling with Dave. I am your host, Dave McGowan, and here we are today at Disneyland. I am at the Toy Story parking lot today, and it's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm in line. I parked directly across the street from the bus terminal, and we're getting ready to go to Disneyland. Here we are, the happiest place on earth. Well, here we are at the front gate of Disneyland. This is where my reservation is this morning. And as you can see, not so bad. Last time we were here, the lines were all the way out. Today, relatively short lines. So here we are, right at the front gate of Disneyland. As always, if you like what you see, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever we have something on. Today we're taking the omnibus to get down Main Street. It's really the happiest place I've ever seen. Just a wonderful spot.
Well, good morning, folks. I'd like to welcome aboard the Main Street Omnibus. My name's Steve. I'll be your driver and guide up Main Street, USA. You guys can sit well back in your seats now, nice and comfortable like. Remain sitting down, supervising children, keeping your hands, arms, legs inside the bus. Main Street train station. Where you can catch your Disneyland Railroad for round trip excursion featuring 4 different stops for your convenience. Right ahead is the Main Street Opera House for today. They're presenting great moments with Mr. Lincoln. It's a goodie, folks. Highly recommend you take time out today to go by and see it. Right next door on the right is the Manhattan Shop. Just beyond that, the Disney Showcase for all your seasonal shopping needs. Different black and white cartoons, all plain and white, including Mickey Mouse in his very first starring role, Steamboat Willie. Right next door is the Gibson Girl Ice Cream Parlor. We get the largest of the different notes on Main Street. Just beyond that, the Penny Arcade, where for a penny, nickel or a dime, well, you can have yourselves a well of a good time. And for you folks having a sweet tooth today, on the left is the Main Street Candy Palace, where they do make candy in the window every day. Center of the Disneyland, we can find the Walt Mickey's Partner statue. Straight ahead, Sleeping Beauty Castle, the entranceway for Fantasyland and Mickey's Toontown. And on the left side of the circle is the entranceway to Adventureland. Right next door is the entranceway to Frontierland. Both can also act as gateways to get you going. We're now approaching our final stop, folks. I'd like to thank you for coming aboard the Omnibus today. Hope you come back and ride with us again here real soon. Please remain sitting down till we come to a full and complete stop. And as you exit the bus, please take your time, look down, watch steps, use the handrail to help the young'uns down the stairway. Once again, folks, thanks for riding the Main Street Omnibus.
20-minute wait time for the Jungle Cruise. And here we are, Indiana Jones. Standby wait time, only 15 minutes. I'm on my way in. Well, folks, we're doing great so far. It's only 9:45. I've already ridden Indiana Jones and the Haunted Mansion. I am on my way to the Star Wars area. I'm going to see if I can get on Rise of the Resistance. I'll let you know how that goes, but so far, great day here at Disneyland. We're right outside Splash Mountain. You can see the folks coming over the waterfall here. Here we go. Next car coming down. Here it is. Here we go. But right here on the walkway is a great little food stop. They have everything from chips and sodas to juice boxes, mango slices, watermelon, seedless grapes, bananas, cuties, all kinds of good stuff here. Great snacks right outside of Splash Mountain. All right, so here I am in the waiting line for Rise of the Resistance. Sign said 60 minutes when I got online. I'll let you know how we're doing. But looks pretty good so far. We are moving right along, so that's great.
Prep the ready room for recruits.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We hear a company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute!
You will disembark immediately into the hangar bay and follow the direct orders from the lieutenants outside. Now move. The transport can drive forward over there. You don't need to back up.
Go forward there.
You can drive forward and around. It's wide enough.
Oh, I love it.
Along to your right, keep your units together. There are two sides to the wall.
Captured by the bad guys.
A ver, ahorita voy a ver si aguanta hasta el primero. A ver si aguanta.
Here we are being taken captive by the bad guys in a Rise of the Resistance.
You're going to split up 3 and 2. It'll be 3 of you on this grate and 2 of you down on this orange. 3 and 2. 3 on the grate and 2 on the orange. Come on, my name is 1. You'll be right over here on this blue. Right over here.
On the blue?
Yep. Blue, move over. Make space. Be selfish. Good.
This guy's not good.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Okay, take this corridor to the terminal lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Droid, you're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We've agreed to detention lot 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
There they are. Fire. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod is just below us. Why are you going up? It's bad. Oh, it's real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's parking.
More escape touchdown, Inspector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
I've just finished riding Rise of the Resistance, and now I'm at the Red Rose Tavern to get a little lunch. I'll get you an idea of what the food is and how it works, and I've done the mobile order, so now I'm just ready to pick up my food. I'll let you know how it is. Here we are at down by the Flying Elephant. Getting ready to take off. Here we go.
Oh, Lord.
Horse-drawn carriage down Main Street. Just another piece of transportation right here at Disneyland. What a great way to go. All right, what a great day here at Disneyland. As always, if you like what you see, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever we have something on. And it's about time to call it a day here in Disneyland, so until next time, I'll see you on vacation.